How to listen Pandora offline. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to turn on the offline mode on your Pandora app. If you guys didn't know, Pandora is a music app where you have an option to listen to different kind of music, including your favorite artists and different podcasts as well. So let's see how you can listen to all of those offline. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Alright, let's get right into it. The very first thing that you want to do is make sure that you are logged in on your Pandora account. And once you do that, you will see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Just tap on it. And once you tap on your profile icon, you will see a gear icon at the top right corner. Once you do that, your settings will open. Now, once your settings is open, all you have to do is find this offline mode right here at the top of your screen, then just toggle the option. And once you do that, you should be able to listen to all of your favorite music and podcasts offline. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.